On this episode of You, Me, and Sicily, we take you to the picturesque small fishing village of Aspra, outside Bagheria, in the province of Palermo. In just a bit, we will visit the Museo di Anchovy, the Anchovy Museum, for an unbelievably detailed collection of relics, documents, pictures, boats, and other items dealing with the fishing village in the area. Plus, wait until you hear all the beautiful musical performances that accompanied our tour. But first, we drive through Sant Elia, another small, quaint fishing village. The crystal clear water is breathtaking. We got here just in time to see one fisherman selling his catch. Of course, all the local restaurants, especially the ones along the water, sell amazing seafood dishes. Now off to Aspra, where beautifully hand-painted boats dot the shoreline. Plus, there are several gelato stands along the lungomare. Here as well, early in the morning, fishermen bring their catch and sell them right on the shore. The area is also known for its fantastic fish dishes. During the summer, locals and visitors enjoy the beach and the warm Tyrrhenian Sea.
Siamo al Museo dell'Acciuga. Qui ci lavorò.
Now off to the Anchovy Museum, which has one of the most remarkable collections of cultural symbols, icons, and artifacts we've ever seen. The museum has numerous displays and activities to educate the public about not only catching, salting, and canning anchovies, but also fishing in general and Sicilian traditions.
I pescecani e le acciughe. E noi ai bambini la Sicilia la spieghiamo così.
This museum is like traveling through the history of maritime arts of Aspra while being entertained by one of the creators and businessman Michelangelo Balestreri.
Le anchovy sono stidi, stanno in fondo al mare, su come li tocchi.
Balestreri and partners have carefully collected elements belonging to his family business and other anchovy factories operating throughout Sicily. His father also worked in the fishing field, and years ago they moved production to another location to establish this museum. The museum is dedicated to the fishermen who stayed in Sicily and those who went to Spain and the United States, specifically California, to teach the art of salting and canning anchovies. It is noteworthy that Balestreri is also a vocal force against the mafia in Sicily.
E quattro colpi, gli dovete sparare, stasera all'ombra della luna.
We were treated to music by the violinist Mario Ranzi and actor Vincenzo Sardinia.
E poi entri in quella stanza.
The museum is separated into several parts with an overwhelming number of pictures, documents, boats, tools depicting fishing and the life of a fisherman. This is truly a work of passion that comes from the heart and conviction of these guys to promote the long-standing fishing tradition of the area. All the pieces tell a detailed story about anchovy fishing. In fact, the fishing industry throughout history has been hugely important to the area. Not only anchovies, but also other types of fish. Are you enjoying this video? Make sure you hit the like and subscribe to this channel.
Ritto ritto usalo cori e che ancia pelo dolore ai 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 e la barca si trascina e lo sangue.
There's even a movie theater you can enjoy old Sicilian movies. While we toured each section, we were treated to traditional songs and anecdotes by Balistieri and Renzi.
I pescatori quando avevano difficoltà e c'era il maltempo.
Balistieri describes how fishermen prayed to the Virgin Mary to keep them safe during storms or dangerous weather. And then, when a miracle happened, they painted it on an anchovy box.
Tutto un tessuto di arance e ciuri.
Aspra. Alfred and I highly recommend you put this little town on your list when visiting Sicily. Please help us continue our work by contributing to our GoFundMe campaign. I'll leave you a link in the description of this video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on another episode of You, Me, and Sicily. Ciao!